science, and we're going to be using these tools, and these are tips, and there's a pipette, balloon, conical tubes, testing tubes, and containers. And today we are going to be learning about mixtures, what is doing a substance to another substance, and hypothesis is doing a educational guess. And we are going to be doing one of these. It is first we are going to be make a hypothesis of what will happen by creating a mixture of pouring half of A into 1A. So I'm going to take A and I'm going to take A1, and I think for the educational guess that it's going to bubble up. So let's pour half of it in. And I got it right. So if you get it wrong, it's okay. So that's the first one that we're going to do. And now we're going to do the second one. Let's put it there. Okay, second is make a hypothesis of what will happen by creating a mixture of pouring E into A2, then the rest of A into A2. So we're going to do both. So first it is E and A2. So let's take E and let's take A2. And my hypothesis is that it might probably turn blue. Okay, let's pour some of it in. Okay, we're going to mix this with A into A2 with the soap we did. So, pour this in. I don't know what's going to happen, but it's probably, I don't know, yeah. So, it's probably going to bubble up, not bubble up. I don't really know. I think it's going to bubble up like the other one did. It bubbled up. Try to pour the rest of it in. It bubbled up. I was right. Okay, it's okay if you got it wrong, what you guys guessed, but there's my guess. I was right. Make a hypothesis of what will happen by creating a mixture by pipetting C into D. So maybe, so I think that if I pour C into D or D into C, it will probably turn lighter, and I think it probably will turn brown. I don't know. So let's take our pipettes. I should open this first too. Okay. Now I'm going to take my pipette. Get one of these and take your pipettes and get a tip on. Pull your pipette in, put it in the water, and stick it back in. Now pour it in. It's still yellow. It's okay if you got your guess wrong. It kind of a little darker, but it didn't turn brown. It looks kind of greenish and white. Not white. It's yellowish. So let's put C back on. 4. hypothesis of what will happen by creating a mixture by taking the balloon and its contents, then putting it on test tube H. Here's my balloon. My hypothesis is that it will probably go up, blow bubbles like the other ones did. Yeah. So here is my testing tube H, and here's my balloon. So we're gonna pour and see what the condensation is. See if I'm right. Daddy's gonna blow up. I don't know what it's gonna do. Well, it did bubble up. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe, click the like button,